In a secluded mountain, every evening, a strange sound echoes through the air. It sounded like something was slowly sinking, but there was no river or body of water nearby. Locals believed it was the sound of spirits weeping. Many late-night travelers who heard the sound fled in fear. Recently, a group of scientists arrived and discovered the truth. Deep inside the mountain was a special cave where changes in air pressure and temperature created the sound. It was a sound phenomenon, no spirits, just nature's mystery.